What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. It's been a while since I've done this, but today we are going to go over a UFO video that is going viral in the UFO community right now. So let's take a look at this video, and then we're going to watch it together. So first, I'm going to show you the full video, and then again, we'll watch together. We're going to go over some things. The video's in Spanish, and luckily, I'm bilingual. Hablo español, so I can translate exactly what's happening in this video, which will help. So let's jump in. Here's the video, filmed in the jungles of Colombia.
¿Qué carajos? Y un globo no es. Eso se ve como algo extraño. Sí. No, es súper rápido. Una pelota no es, ni un globo. Un globo no es. Eso es otra cosa. Nos estamos acercando. Mira cómo alumbra de varios colores, eso es como metálico, ¿cierto? Mira cómo se mueve a mera velocidad.
All right, I admit that's an interesting video. Just looks like a metal sphere flying around, right? Now, there's some interesting things about it, which we'll get into. So first, let me tell you where this video came from. It came from this TikTok account right here. More than that, there's not much more information. So take it as you will. And then it went to, Reddit, Twitter. It's just spreading like wildfire. So I think it's an older video, but I'm not sure exactly the date or anything about it, to be honest with you. So let's dive in and watch it together and see some interesting things about it, because I found some interesting things about the video. All right, here we go.
¿Qué carajos?
All right, so the first thing she says is "que carajos," like, what the F, basically.
Y un globo no es.
She's saying it's not a balloon.
Eso se ve como algo extraño. Sí.
She kind of mumbled there. I couldn't hear what she was saying.
No, es súper rápido. Una pelota no es, ni un globo.
She's saying it's going super fast. It's not a ball. It's not a balloon.
Un globo no es. Eso es otra cosa.
She's saying it's something else.
Estamos acercando.
You see that? There's some cuts in this. This thing has been edited. Now, I don't know, right? That can be a red flag, but it can also be nothing, right? Maybe it was just a long video, just trying to put the best pieces together. There could have been a lot of footage in between where she wasn't getting it. But typically, let me just, if you're filming a UFO video, just some advice, don't edit it. Put it up unedited, full thing. Even if there's stuff in between that doesn't fit, just okay. Just put it up unedited and put the full story and try to describe what you're seeing, what you're feeling, what you're tasting, what you're smelling, what you're hearing, everything while it's happening, right? Describe locations around you, things, if it's affecting things around it, if it's affecting you, right? Other people, what else you see, right? Do other people see it, right? You want to give as many details in the video as you can while you're filming, if that's possible. So let's continue. See, I mean, clearly there's cuts, right? Clearly this is edited. And I don't know if the person, the TikTok account that I showed you, if they're the ones who edited it, or that's how it was sent in to them, or they found it somewhere else. I don't know, right? There's no more details about this. I mean, it is weird. I gotta be honest, it moves just like a balloon.
Mira cómo alumbra de varios colores. Eso es como metálico, ¿cierto?
She's saying how it sort of like reflecting the light around it. She thinks it's metallic, right? Because it's showing like the green, right, of the grass, like it's reflecting in it, right? Which is interesting. I don't know. You know, I will say this. The person's account, the TikTok account, they have a lot of other UFO videos and stuff on there. So I think it's just like just an account to show UFO videos. So I don't think they have anything to do with it. So it is possible they edited it to get it up. But again, they could have just grabbed it from somewhere. It doesn't look like they're doing a lot of work on that TikTok account, just putting up videos. But this is a source. I can't find the original source. Like the woman speaking, you know, who is she? She put it up, right? More data, please. I admit it is weird that it kind of goes up and down. I don't know if that's balloon activity, to be honest. So it could roll out a balloon. I don't know. It's an odd looking balloon. Just perfectly spherical. I mean, balloons aren't typically perfectly spherical, right? So I don't know. Just trying to like zoom in on it. And you can see that there is a reflection off of the sun, right? So it's definitely reflective. Is it metal, metallic? That's what she thinks.
Mira cómo se mueve a mera velocidad.
She's saying, look how it moves, Lucia. And then she says a name, Lucia, like she's talking to someone else. And so here we get the best shot with the most context in it. A little wide shot to kind of see what we're looking at, right? What's interesting is right here, there's a little, wait, is that my computer screen? Oh, never mind. That's on my computer screen. Y'all can't see that. There's a little dot there on my screen. Okay, that's just my screen is dirty. But there is the thing right there. And that's it. Right? So again, these are all from them as well, right? So it's hard to tell. I don't know. What do y'all think? There's almost not enough information to sort of make a definitive statement about what it is. Like, should we jump to the conclusion that that's an alien spacecraft? That seems, jumping the gun a little bit. No, but is it also definitive that it's a balloon or something? No, I don't know what it is, right? It does move oddly, and it's, broad daylight. This thing is just floating around, flying around, whatever it's doing. It definitely has interesting movements, right? I would say that for sure. So I don't know. And I don't see anything around it, right? So I don't know, right? Could a balloon make those kind of movements? That seems also a little unusual. But there's not much details that she mentions in there, right? Just kind of telling us a couple things. She doesn't think it is, not a ball, not a balloon. It's metal. It is reflecting, right? It's got odd movements, but I don't know. It's gaining a lot of traction, and I can see why. It's, again, broad daylight, what looks to be this metal sphere flying around, going up, down, side to side. You know, this is in the jungles of Colombia, out in the middle of nowhere. Granted, there are power lines. You can see that there's civilization there, so it's not literally in the middle of nowhere, right? But I don't know. I don't know, y'all. These UFO videos are so hard. Could that be AI manipulated? I don't know. Doesn't really feel like that, to be honest with you. But at the end of the day, it's too hard to tell. And that's what makes these UFO videos so interesting, right? It's kind of like all UFO videos at this point just go in the bucket of interesting, as opposed to it's this or it's this. It's just too hard to tell, right? Without more information. Again, that's what's missing, is a lot of context here. Good or bad, you need context for these type of things, even to debunk, right? You need some context. So to me, the jury's out. It's not definitive on what exactly this thing is, but I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. All right, vetters, we'll see you in the next video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.